Okay, so now the final and the fourth type of the ADSO, which is Direct Update ADSO. So for the Direct Update ADSO, we have only one table populated. So it's basically the purpose is to have it in the staging layer as a staging ADSO. It is not suitable for reporting. So it's a staging ADSO used to store the consolidated and cleansed data at a detail level. Again, the tables, all the three tables will exist, but only one table will be populated, which will be the table of active data. And this ADSO can contain info objects and fields, which allows you to load the data without assigning the info objects if you want. Now let's look at the overall data flow. So the data is directly updated or uploaded into the active data table, and how it can be done via either an API or a regular DTPN transformation. So that includes consistency checks. Okay, although it is directly updated in the active data table, that does not mean that no checks will be performed. Definitely checks such as SID processing, consistency of time characteristics, areas logged by the cold store or nearline storage, all these checks will be done before the data is updated in the active data table. So data load and activation, directly loaded in the active data table. It is written to the active data table either using a DTP or an API. And these are the APIs which are used: rs DSO_DU_write_ API, delete API, and cleanup API. So write loads data from an internal table to the table of active data table. Delete deletes the data of active data table. This can be either truncated or selectively deleted. Both you can do using this API. And finally, cleanup of the erroneous records or requests can be done via this cleanup API. Activation is not possible because there is just one table, and deletions can be done using requests. Extraction, only full extraction is possible. Of course, delta extraction is not possible. The data is read from the table of active data table. And for reporting, it is also done only via active data table, and as soon as the data is written to the active data table, it is available for reporting. So this is all about the Direct Update ADSO. Next, we will look at the different properties, which is the write enabled